Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Cloudflare WAP on Windows. Quick one, come to your Chrome browser, go ahead and search for this, download Cloudflare WAP. Run the search. After that, you'll see this first website just before the AI overview. Now, this is a Cloudflare developer docs. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, once you tap on this, you have to make sure that you note that the Cloudflare WAP is part of the one client stable releases over here. You can see. Now, to download it on the Windows, you see over here that this is the download version, and it also shows you the space it takes. It takes around 184 MBs, and the memory size it needs is only 3 MBs. And also it works on Windows 10, Windows 11, and then only Windows 11 and above. Literally only Windows 10 and above. So to download, tap on this download the latest stable release, and then your download will start running. You'll find your download over here. Okay, and then you'll be able to install. Now for my case, I won't download because I already have it. But basically, that's the procedure.